So, you've never been camping before, you're thinking about trying, and you're wondering, where the heck do I even start? Stop thinking about it. Watch this video. I'm going to tell you how to start in the easiest, most safe, reasonable way possible. Watch this video and get your butt out there and go camping, because the best time to go camping is right now. You don't need an expensive camping setup. I'm going to show you how you can go from just having a car to get you to the campsite to having a very basic, bare minimum, bare bones camping setup for under $300. We're going to go over a super budget setup that literally anybody can do it, just so that you can try camping and see if you like it. If you don't like it, it's very low risk if you only spend a little over $200 on the equipment. That way it's not intimidating to you and you can just buy a couple things from Walmart. I'm going to show you my cart at Walmart, which is about $203 it costs for everything you would need to go camping for your first time. You want the bare minimum just to get out there your first time. That way you don't spend a bunch of money just in case you don't end up liking it. What do you actually need to go camping? What's the bare minimum essentials that you need? That would be a tent, an air mattress, some sort of sleeping pad, a sleeping bag, a cooler for all your food and drinks, a camp stove so that way you can cook your meals on, unless you get real rugged and cook on the fire, but I'd recommend bringing a camp stove, a light, just like a lantern, just so that way you can see at night, and a good camp chair. That's it. That's the bare minimum essentials that you need. And I can show you guys my Walmart cart where this is about $200 for all of these items. So it really isn't intimidating. This is all you need to get out there and go camping. Anything else is just extra comfort. That's what it is. This is the bare necessities that you need. Don't get me wrong, it's nice to have more stuff, but to actually get out there and camp at the cheapest price possible, this is exactly what you need. I checked my local Walmart and also checked that it has it in store, and all of these things were in stock at my local Walmart. So if you wanted to go camping next weekend, you could go into Walmart with $200 and buy all these items and be ready to camp for the next weekend. The next thing actually was a little intimidating. It's hard for me to figure out when I first started camping is how do you figure out where to actually go camping? If you're like me and you live in New England and you're not out west where you can basically just pitch a tent anywhere, you need to find a place where you're actually allowed to camp, where you're able to go. And that's not so easy. You can kind of do a Google search of camping in your area, but it doesn't have all the state parks and all the good spots on there. It might be some private campsites that pay more for Google ads to be higher on the ranking. Now that you have your camping equipment, I want you to get on your computer and go on to reserveamerica.com. That is what I found to be the best resource to find campgrounds all at one place. Originally, I just would look up the state parks website, but now I found that this website has a whole bunch of state parks on the website that you can use to kind of show you where all the campgrounds are and make reservations, which is super convenient to have all those things in one place. Reserve America will leave out a lot of the private campgrounds, but to me, that's okay. I prefer state parks versus the actual private campgrounds. So honestly, it's most of the campsites that I prefer on that website. You can go on there and use the search feature. I'll show you guys quick how to do that. And you can basically search your area and it'll pop up on a map all the different campsites, camping areas in your area. You can kind of select from there depending on how far you want to drive. For your first camping trip, I'd recommend going somewhere close. Just in case it goes south, you want to be able to get back home without being too far away, stuck in the middle of nowhere. So maybe about an hour away would be a good thing, where you feel far away from home, where you're kind of going on a vacation, but you're not far enough where if something goes wrong, it's going to be a huge issue. You can make reservations and plan ahead. And that way, you know, when you pull up to a campground, there's going to be a place for you. You know where you're going. Reserve America definitely recommend finding good state parks in your area. And it's a super useful tool to find nice places to camp. Now that you have your gear, what else do you need to bring to be able to actually go camping? First thing is you're going to need to eat. So you're going to need some cookware to be able to cook all your food. You can just borrow your cookware from home. You don't need to get a dedicated set of cookware for camping just yet, especially when you're just trying it out. You're also going to need some food, some water, sometimes one of those big gallon jugs with like a little dispenser, super useful to bring when you're camping. For food, usually something like eggs, hot dogs, and hamburgers is something very easy to cook, easy to pack, easy to start off with when you go camping. You're also going to need a lighter or something, maybe some kindling for a campfire. Usually most campgrounds sell campfire at the campground, but usually campgrounds, the area is so picked through of people trying to find campfire wood in the area. That way you really can't find much to use for your own fire. So definitely recommend bringing some small kindling, maybe some newspaper if people still even have newspaper anymore these days. That would work really well for that. Now that you know what you need to bring, what you need for equipment, and where to make your reservation, I challenge you, the viewer, to go on to Reserve America. And once you finish this video, I want you to go on Reserve America and reserve that campsite that you've been thinking about. Pick a local campground that's in the area that you want to try and test out. Make a reservation and commit to going. That way, it's in the universe that you're going camping. That way, you kind of make that commitment. You'll actually make it out there. If you've been thinking about camping and you're still scared to make the jump, make that reservation, get out there and go camping. I promise you, you will not regret it. Now that you have a solid plan, you have a reservation, you're set up to go camping. The real question question is why? Why do you go camping? Why do I go camping? Why does anyone in the world go camping? Why doesn't you just sit at home and watch Netflix all day? For me, camping is the best mental reset. To get out into nature, peace and quiet, around a campfire with nothing to focus on but your immediate surroundings, it is the best mental reset. Honestly, my life isn't too stressful, but it's nice to be able to decompress and have some low stress time. And coming from a stressful job, having a nice weekend in the woods can really do wonders for your mental health. It is an amazing way to spend quality time with friends and family. I have a group of friends I've been friends with for probably about 15 years now. I see them not quite as much as I'd like to, but some of the best times that we've spent together is when we go camping together, and that's something that's really important. Spending time with my family, it's just more quality when you go out camping because you have nothing to focus on but the people in front of you, and that's what's important to you at that moment. It gives you the freedom to travel. It makes traveling not that expensive. You can go camping for relatively cheap. If you book a weekend campsite, it's probably $30 a night for a tent camping site. So you can go spend $200 on gear and spend $60 on a campsite. Just from starting from scratch, you can go camping for about $260, which I think is the most budget way to travel. I guess if you count gas, we'll say under $300. But you can go from nothing to having camping equipment and a camp spot for under $300 for a weekend of camping. And I think that's really hard to find in any other form of vacationing. And honestly, a weekend away in camping just beats sitting at home all weekend. I'd take camping over sitting at home any day. So that's why I try to do it whenever I have free time. If you've been thinking about going camping and you've been thinking about making a reservation, go ahead and make that reservation right now. Commit to it. That way you can get out and go camping and enjoy yourself and have a nice mental reset. Start with the bare bones setup. Do not go crazy. Do not overthink it. Get yourself a tent, air mattress, sleeping bag, cooking stove, and a cooler, and just get out there and go camp. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if you already have a cooler lying around at your house. Get out there and go camp, make that reservation, and make it happen. This is exactly how I started. I camped for years with nothing but a tent and an air mattress, and still go camping with a tent and air mattress sometimes because I can't always bring my truck. It's the easiest way, the quickest way to get started, and I promise you it'll be enjoyable, and you might find out that this is your new favorite hobby, and it might be something that you get out and do all the time. And it's such a fulfilling thing to be able to get out and travel to places in the middle of nature and go camping. Thank you very much for watching. We have some more videos coming up of me kind of working on my camping setup. Even though this video is to try to have you have a basic camping setup, still I enjoy upgrading mine, doing some things to mine. So we have some videos about my camping setup coming up soon. We have some videos of me camping coming up, some more stuff coming up, some off-grid, some camping talks. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this. I had one viewer comment and kind of ask how to get started on camping. So hopefully this is enough for you to get started. Again, super simple. Go to your local Walmart, get some cheap stuff, get out and go camping. Make sure you like it, and then from there, just keep going up. Use Reserve America to find the good campsites. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Bye.